Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil 2 Remake not launching. So let's start. The first step, go to the Windows search bar, search for NVIDIA app. Now this will open, so go on the left and select drivers. After that, make sure to download and install the latest driver you will find right here. So click install. After that, select Express installation and click on continue to initiate the process of downloading. Now for the next step, go to this upside arrow in the Windows taskbar, click on it. After that, you will see the Steam icon right here. So right click. After that, select exit, wait for a moment. After that, open the Steam launcher once again. When this opens, go to library. After that, select collections. Now search for your game, which is Resident Evil 2 Remake. I will show you what to do using this game. So once you click Resident Evil 2 Remake, you should click this gear icon right here in the right. After that, select properties. Now this tab will pop up, so go to installed files. After that, click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted file that is responsible for the launching process will be fixed and corrected successfully. Just wait for the process to finish. For the last step, go to launch options. After that, type like this -dx12 and your problem should be fixed successfully. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.